So it reminds me almost like Chick-fil-A.
You have the receipt.
Christine, you got that drink?
What's your name?
Brittany.
Say again?
Brittany?
Brittany, you got it? You, Brittany?
No.
Spell your first and last name for me.
Brittany Patterson.
Sorry, you said Patterson? Brittany, correct? You have a middle initial? What's your date of birth?
Palm Beach.
In Palm Beach. Okay, where? There's a lot of cities. What city is that?
Down south. Denver.
Gotcha. Is there a unit number to that?
No, sir. Well, first apartment.
Alright, Brittany, I'm going to read you your warnings, alright? Memorandum warnings, alright? You have the right to remain silent, not answering questions, and the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during questioning. If you can afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during questioning. Any statement can be used against you in the court of law. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. If at any time during the interview you wish to answer a question, you are privileged to remain silent. I cannot make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This may be only free will. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Brittany. So can you explain to me what led up to me arriving here for this incident here? As you are on target, and I was briefly informed that you were taking items as I have the receipt here in my hand. What do you have in that bag that belongs to Target?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing?
No,
Do you mind if I search that bag after we talk?
That's fine.
Yeah? So you're fine with that if I search the bag after we're done talking? Okay. Can you just put your bag over here for me, please? Are those your items? Did you pay for those?
Yes, sir. I spent my last $10.
Okay. So, do you have anything else besides what's on this receipt in your possession? Do you have anything in your pockets? Nothing. Alright, so handbag, shirt, pants. So you walked past all points of sales? Did you try to leave the building? Yes, alright. So you just had it in the car and you just tried to walk out? Did you try to stuff it inside the Target bags and make it look like you paid for it? Explain it to me. How did this go? How did you do this?
I grabbed a bag out of Target and just put everything inside the bag.
Okay. And then you just walked out. Gotcha. All right. Brittany, what's your social? Hey.
What's going on, man?
Is Is the sweater yours? What's not yours?
What's the value?
Just what I
It's
have on.
right here.
Plus what she earned.
Say again.
What I have on. Just what I have on.
Okay, that's
Wait, sorry. Let me ask you. So what you have on is yours, correct?
343, so it's still.
The pants, the sweater, is that yours? No. Okay. What did you arrive here, and what clothes were you wearing?
This.
This clothes. Okay, so the clothes that you have on is this Target's, which you didn't pay for. All right. Was the clothes accounted for yet?
No, the one she's wearing now.
Okay. All right. So.
That's the NTA.
Yeah. So it's going to be a little bit more than that because the clothes she has on hasn't been accounted to this.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Still under 700.
Yeah, it's still under 700. And you said briefly before they got here that I can look in your bag and see if there's anything else, correct? All right.
Do you get ID or anything yet?
No. She gave me this name with that social.
Yeah, just verify. We'll verify ID and then
Okay.
notes.
Yeah, I have those.
Wrong.
Yeah, all right. The social's right under you.
I get the number for. You ever had an ID card before?
She says she's on the phone there.
That's fine. You have all the video and all that stuff? Can you copy one by first and last, please? First and Bravo, Romeo, India,
None of the clothes I know.
The socks?
None of those I know.
They still have the tags on them.
Yeah, but I brought them for while.
That's hers, this is hers, this is hers.
Them socks and underwear.
Okay. That's a different packaging of the socks that they're.
Yeah.
That's hers. That's hers, and yeah, this is hers.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, while you're doing that, I'll let them know we got a text soon and get it. I'll get you a second system to send it. You guys want my hippies? Sometimes.
Alright. What about this behind you?
If you want to have it well.
Those are yours? Alright, I'm just gonna put it on top of your bag, alright?
Yep, of course.
And that's your clothes, correct? Okay. They sent you the DL?
Yeah, they sent it on the tweet. I'm gonna grab it and
Okay.
get a 15.
Okay.
You want to get her to your car that way, so the 44s, I'll get
Yeah.
everything upstairs that's needed.
Okay.
Get an updated amount.
And then they still need to account for the clothes that she has on.
Oh, okay, yeah. So let's take care of that first, and then we'll get her.
Is this a restroom right here? No.
No, but the family restroom is directly at the end of this hallway.
Okay.
Can we get that female security officer to come back in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I call so.
Yeah, that way she's fine to just stay. We'll stay outside the door.
Yeah.
We'll have the female officer going with her.
Yeah. That way she can change and you guys can account for that so we can get the official total.
And
Also, I just want to miss you, so she can't, because she's on our way. She's walking. In the past, we just had them go by themselves and change, and back out loud on things.
okay, that's fine. I mean, as long as it's not a window in the back.
No.
Yeah.
Perfect. It's ready.
Yep. There's selected within the.
It's still, there's so many
It used to
zeros.
be like 2023 dash and then 6 digits, now it's 7.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they probably added.
They probably did add another one.
No, busy.
You ready to get her change into her regular clothes?
Yeah.
And as soon as you guys have an updated receipt.
Yup, as soon as we.
Alright, you can grab your clothes. We're just gonna stand outside the restroom so you can change, alright? You can go ahead, you can grab your stuff. You just leave the back here, just pick up the clothes, please.
Yeah, just grab your clothes. Whatever was yours.
Someone's in there.
Okay.
Yeah, someone's in there right now.
Yep.
Someone's in there right now. Just give it a second, someone's in there.
So listen, once you change, we're gonna get you to the car, we'll give you a court date, and you'll be on your way, okay?
This is like the gunning design, so kind of a his and watch the
Nice, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
We'll watch that.
Yep.
Should be good there. We'll watch that, and honestly, it's gonna be super cheap. Realize how it looks like.
Nice, looks good.
I saw yours, I was like, oh, that's not looking wrong. You actually just got the own like send you the jig, all the tools, all the parts.
Oh, nice.
You put it together yourself. Case, bracelet, movement, hands, dial. That's the best part about it. And I'm super excited. So, you can serialize it too. You need the stamps, you can stamp it with your own
So when you take it to the car, I can do strong statements from those guys, and then
Okay.
you have all the basics, right, to cut the NTA and have a nice day?
Yeah. Charles has the DL. He said he's gonna send it
Just gotta
to me.
verify that's her.
Right.
Everybody should gives her sister's name or something like
That's
that.
happening.
Right.
Yeah. So you looked at the DL picture?
Yeah.
So yeah, sworn statements. I don't think we need pictures of the items. No, because it's on
No,
the video.
and then just the updated receipt total and a photograph of the receipt. That's all.
Yeah, we don't need physical receipt at this point, and then I'll upload the evidence, and then that way you shouldn't have to come back up here.
Right.
We'll do the 51, and I'll bring that down after we get it. You guys want a copy of it, right? Yes, please. Okay. Easy peasy.
Yep. She admitted to it after I Mirandized her. Cut and clear.
Nice. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. It never hurts, because then they won't call you for a court.
Yeah. That's how they just.
She was found guilty of retail theft and sentenced to 60 days in county jail.